a cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us don't. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty in my eye.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from LuvMe Hair. The unit that they sent over today goes by the name of Gorgeous Natural Coily Curl Glueless, a 5x5 closure wig. This is how Miss Girl is looking straight out of the box, and I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. The first thing that came to my mind was like, where the rest of my wig? This unit is offered in 12, 14, and 16 inches. Currently on the website, it does look like they are out of the 16 inch. But if I look back through my emails, and if I'm thinking correctly, I was supposed to receive the 14 inch. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this looks more like an 8 to 10 inch unit. Like, don't get me wrong, I get it whenever, you know, a unit is curly, it's gonna shrink up, but this is too much shrinkage. But we still will move. Cap construction for this unit comes with 4 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side, and then 1 in the very center of the unit. It also comes with adjustable straps here in the back, and it comes with a pre-attached security band that you can adjust. Again, this is a 5x5 lace closure unit, so therefore you are going to get those 5 inches going across the front and then 5 inches going straight back for the parting space. And if you also notice, there is a tint on that lace, letting it be known that this unit has been pre-bleached. This is a coily unit, so up close I hope you can see there are a few coils like here and there, but then the rest of the unit for the most part is just like little ringlets, if you will. I'm also noticing that this unit has already been like pre-layered here in the back as well. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but because it's already been pre-layered for me, hopefully I shouldn't have to do like any cutting whatsoever. I'm not really sure if it's gonna pick up and show up on camera, but this unit has been slightly pre-plucked. 9 times out of 10 I am gonna go in and like pluck it just a little bit more. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous about this install just because I thought this unit was gonna be a little bit longer. So I don't know how it's gonna look, how I'm gonna feel, but I don't know. I guess I'll just go ahead and install her and then I'll come back to my final thought.
What it is, oh, what's up? Every good girl needs a little girl. Every black boy needs a little love. If you put it down, I'ma pick it up. Can't you see it's just me and you? Turn around and do like I wanna do it. All around me, that's the energy. That's the limit of the thing, I'm a 10-piece, baby. Head pump fully in a bando. You gon' make it flip, do it with no handles. Never switching sides, only switching angles. Oh, we gon' take it like Rambo. What it is, oh, what's up? Every good girl needs a little girl. Every bad boy needs a little love. If you put it down, I'ma pick it up. What it is, oh, what's up? Every good girl needs a little girl. Every bad boy needs a little love. If you put it down, I'ma pick it up. Hit 'em up. In the truck, got it tucked, you gave it up. I'm stuck all night, alright. You ain't gotta say when you know it's all right.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair. We're gonna start with my cons first, and my first con is obviously gonna be the fact that she did not come as advertised. Now I'm gonna insert a clip or at least a picture of what they're advertising, what a 14 inch is supposed to look like. And you can tell that there's a huge difference. And even if this is to be considered a 12 inch, there is still a huge difference in length. Now with the 14 inch, it's looking like it's supposed to be more so closer to like shoulder length, if you will. And the shaping of it is like, I want to say like this way. I don't know if I'm really explaining that right, but I'm going to make sure that I pop up, like I said, a video or at least a picture. And then when it comes to the 12 inch, of course it's going to look like a little bit shorter, but even with the styling of those, it just kind of looks like, I don't know, it doesn't look this short. My next con on this unit is going to be that whenever I was fluffing out the unit, I was getting a lot of shedding. Now don't get me wrong, I've said it before and I'll say it again, whenever it comes to curly units, I'm going to expect some type of shedding, but I don't know, I guess I just wasn't expecting that much shedding just from simply fluffing out the unit. My last con for this unit is the fact that it's supposed to be like a coily type of unit. So I was expecting more coils throughout the unit. Like, don't get me wrong, there were a few, but I don't know, I guess I just wanted just a few more. Even if I was going to separate them and fluff them out, I just wanted some more. Now let's go ahead and move into my pros for this unit, and the first one is going to be how beginner friendly she is. The install for this unit, I want to say took like all of 10 minutes. That's with me putting the unit on, spraying it down, tying it down for those 10 minutes, fluffing it out. Of course, I did go in and like trim it up here and there, but like I said, it took like all of 10 minutes. My next pro for this unit is, although it did not come as advertised, I feel like it still turned out really cute. Like, I like the shaping of it. It almost looks like a little heart in my opinion. I will say that in my personal opinion, I feel like this unit is one of those units that kind of like needs makeup with it. Like, I don't know. I feel like I have some units where I can throw it on, go out the door and be just fine without a lick of makeup on. But I don't know. Then I have several units where I'm like, it looks better. I keep looking in my mirror, sorry about that. But I'm just like, I just feel like putting on a full face of makeup kind of like elevates the unit. I will say I like how natural looking this unit looks. Like, I'm pretty sure if I was to go out in public, somebody would come up to me and say, oh, I like your hair, thinking it's actually my hair. When it comes to the lace on this unit, Miss Girl is blended down. Do you hear me? And the craziest part about it is that I didn't even put any like makeup or tint or anything on the inside of the lace, on the inside of the cap, and I feel like I always do that, and I do that this time. I feel like she looks real good. This is very random and maybe just like a little pro tip, but I would say if you choose to pick up this unit, make sure you carry around a pick with you, just so you can like fluff her out and, you know, tease her, make her bigger, because I do feel like that this unit looks better whenever it is like teased out and, well, made to look bigger. And fluffy. Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for, fluffy. I'm pretty sure this video is like very short, sweet, and simple, seeing as how this was like a pretty easy and simple and quick install. If you guys plan on picking up this unit, don't forget to use my discount code. I want to say it's Dotson, and it should save you, I want to say 28% off of the entire website. Let me know how you guys are feeling about this unit down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.